Hello you guys, I'm back with another video. I'm home from work and I just finished washing my hair. See, don't like that. Have a lot of body. I just finished washing my hair, so I have it picked up until I'm able to get it done for right now. But today I'm trying something new, you guys. I'm trying this mega crustless pizza. I have Supreme. They said it's no mess, no crust, and they have meaty toppings. Okay? They have pepperoni, and I believe they have something else. And I also have my Caribbean Sunset Punch. Okay? So yeah, that's what I'm eating. And that's here, you guys. And I also have me an apple. I don't think you can too much see. Maybe if there we go. So let me see. Okay. So this here. I have just a small piece of newspaper under here because of all of this sauce. And this is my first time in trying it. I cooked it as it directed me to do. There's all this sauce. It's like in the box. And you can smell the tomato pizza sauce. But this how it look. It just look like pizza sauce. So once again, this is my first time me trying it, and it will probably be my last time because it just look like you eating tomato sauce, pizza sauce. It doesn't look like the picture. So we're gonna see. I don't have it. It tastes just like the pizza without the crust, but presentation is a 0. Yeah. This glass right in the way. It's just like you eating sauce. So I will not be getting this again. And it's full of cheese. Let's see that cheese full. It's just dripping. When you buy pizza and stuff drip off it like that. But anyway. I think I might eat me I have a sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits from Jimmy Dean. I think I'm gonna go and I'm gonna eat me one of those. Yeah. Okay, you guys. Here's my little breakfast sandwich. Okay. And I did have some coffee on deck, so say prayers. Amen. Because I couldn't. It was like, we got good flavor, but it's just like you eating sauce with bell peppers in there. Almost like a soup. So, no. And I had a coupon for it, so I wanted to try it out. But you guys might love it. It's something different, that's for sure.
As a scientist, I know by the time she takes her first breath, 9 billion.
18 to 22.
When she takes her first.
Okay. So how was your day? I'm glad today Friday. I stayed up last night to 2 a.m. Then got up for work around 6:30. I'll be up watching YouTube. There's a channel I watch. It talks about things that's going on in the world. This is good for something I can enjoy. And also, I love apple. Yeah, I had to wash my hair. So, I thank you guys for watching. And I will be back later with another video. And that's it. So I thank you guys, and bye bye for now. Bye, guys.